Most traders do not lose here because they cannot see the zone. They lose because they enter before the zone confirms. So in this breakdown, I want you to focus on the order. Structure first. AOC second. Entry last. I am not starting from the sell entry, I am starting from market bias. On this chart, price gives a strong bearish move first. That move tells me sellers are in control. After that, I want to see whether the market can continue respecting bearish structure instead of only giving one random drop. The first technical clue is the reaction from support. Price pushes down, reacts from the support area and then starts pulling back. A lot of traders see that pullback and think the move is reversing, but inside BYBT, a pullback is not automatically a reversal. A pullback is a test. The real question is this: where is price pulling back into? Here, price returns into the AOC, the area of confluence. This zone matters because previous support is now acting like resistance. That is a classic price action idea, but the mistake is entering only because price touched the zone. The touch is not the trade. The rejection is not even enough by itself. I need to see price fail to hold above the AOC. I need to see the retest reject. Then I want the candle to close back in the bearish direction, showing that buyers failed to reclaim the level. That is where the trade idea becomes cleaner. Now the entry has logic. The stop loss belongs above the AOC and above the retest high, because if price breaks and holds above that zone, the sell idea is invalid. That is important. Invalidation is not a suggestion. It is the line where your technical read is wrong. If price holds above the AOC, sellers are no longer defending the level. At that point, I do not keep selling just because I want the setup to work. The target is the previous low and the next logical support area. That makes sense because price is moving from one important level back toward the next important level. So the full BYBT sequence is simple. First, identify the market bias. Second, mark the support reaction. Third, wait for price to pull back into the AOC. Fourth, let the retest happen. Fifth, wait for rejection and confirmation. Sixth, define the stop, invalidation and target before entry. That is the difference between technical analysis and guessing. Guessing says price touched resistance, so I sell. Technical trading says price touched the AOC, failed to hold above it, rejected the retest, and now my risk is clearly defined. That is why I like this setup. It is not about catching the top. It is about waiting until the market gives enough evidence that the pullback has failed. No chasing. No emotional entry. No selling just because a candle is red. Structure first. AOC second. Entry last. If you want to learn the full BYBT strategy, check the one-on-one private mentorship link in the description. You can also get the BYBT trading ebook on our website at forexhash.com. This video is for education only and is not financial advice.